Now let us quickly go through the historical evolution of fintech industry, how the financial technology industry has evolved over a period of time. Now there has been three phases, or you can say 3 decades of change in the fintech industry. The first was 1990s and early 2000, where internet and mobile technology began to transform the financial industry. There was a rise in e-commerce, so it created the need for secure and efficient online payment system. Companies such as PayPal emerged to offer online payment solutions. Also, a need was felt for mobile banking, peer-to-peer lending, and different types of advising services. In 2010, it marked a period of growth and evolution of fintech industry through digital wallet, through crowdfunding, digital currencies, and blockchain. Also, there was a concept of open banking. The growth of smartphones and mobile technologies resulted in digital wallets and mobile payment solutions. Companies such as Apple Pay, Samsung, Google began to offer mobile payment options. In 2020s, after the pandemic, the movement of the fintech industry was accelerated. Why? Because physical banking became less accessible. People had to rely on mobile and remote banking through online transactions to do their business transactions. This led to the emergence of neobanking, artificial intelligence and machine learning in banking, digital identity and biometrics, and digital currencies and decentralized finance. So neobanking is providing consumers with more convenient, accessible, and affordable alternative by using the latest in modern technology. You don't need to go to a bank to do a banking transaction. That's the beauty of neobanks. Also, artificial intelligence and machine learning resulted in new and innovative financial products. Artificial intelligence powered the financial advisors and gave different kinds of advice on investment and portfolio management. Now, machine learning can prevent and detect financial fraud, thereby stopping different kinds of unauthorized access. Digital identity and biometrics help to open accounts remotely without the customer even being present physically. So these technologies have given us more freedom, more accessibility, less transaction costs. Digital currencies through wallets and UPI have made our life simple. We do not need to carry cash anymore. This is how things are becoming better each day.